Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Check Telegram and device OS versions and install the latest update. Backup chats now. Use export or cloud sync so you can revert. Make sure you have the phone number tied to the account and access to verification SMS or authenticator codes. If you use two-factor authentication, have that code handy too. Once done, close Telegram fully and reboot the device to clear transient issues. This prevents cached errors during the repair. You now perform the core fixes. Clear Telegram cache first and only clear storage if you backed up chats. This removes corrupted files. Next, reset network settings and test Wi-Fi versus mobile data to isolate connectivity problems. If messages still fail, uninstall Telegram, reboot the device, and reinstall from the official store to eliminate broken binaries. Make sure to log in using the verified phone number and re-enter 2FA when prompted. These steps remove most app-level and network-level faults. Finish by restoring your backup and reconfiguring privacy and sync settings so chats and media behave normally. Then test core features. Send files, start voice/video calls, and watch for unusual CPU or battery spikes. If something still breaks, collect session logs and error messages. You can export them from settings. Once collected, try account recovery steps or contact Telegram support with the logs. A single troubleshooting tip. If problems persist after reinstall, test your account on a different device to determine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.